Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to remotely shut down another computer using command prompt in Windows 10 11. Let's go start. Search for Remote Desktop Connection in the Start menu and open the Remote Desktop Connection and click it. Type the host PC's name or IP address into the computer field. Press the Windows key and type in the command prompt and click on Run as administrator into the search bar. Type the following command: IP protocol configuration /all for PC information check. This is host PC IP address. Search the registry editor in the Windows search bar and click on Registry Editor as a Run Administrator. As pop-up option, click Yes. Click on HKey Local Machine and Software. Then click on Microsoft. Then click on Windows. Then click on CurrentVersion. Then click on Policies. Then click on System. Select and on the right side, right-click on a blank space and go to DWORD, 32-bit, value under New. Type here Local Account Token Filter Policy. Click on it, set the modify value equals 1. Click OK. Press the Windows key, search for Windows Defender Firewall, and click the top result to open the console. In the left pane, click Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Select your active network, public/private, and toggle the Microsoft Defender Firewall switch to off. Black to Advanced Settings and click it. Click on Inbound Rules. Find the File and Printer Sharing (SMBN) and enable rules on the right site. Show the Massage Yes Private and Public. Close the window. Now restart the remotely connect the computer. Press the Windows key and type in the command prompt and click on command prompt into the search bar. Type here cookie/list. Check information. Now type the cookie/add, IP address/username/password. Credential network added successfully. Again, type command is ShutDown /m / IP address/s/t5. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video. Press Enter.